Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to choose stocks and funds for investments on Bright. Choosing where to invest your money can feel overwhelming, but Bright makes it simple with easy to understand tools and recommendations. Here's how to pick the right stocks and funds for your goal. First, open the Bright app and navigate to the Invest tab. There, tap Explore Investments to view a wide range of options, including individual stocks, ETFs, and theme portfolios like clean energy, tech, or dividend income. To help you with your decision, Bright provides performance data, risk levels, and analyst ratings for each option. Tap on any assets to open a detailed overview. Use the filter at the top to sort by categories like risk level tolerance, management goals, or industry sectors. This helps you to align your choices with what matters most to you. If you're still unsure, check out the Bright Picks section. These are curated recommendations based on market trends and user behavior. Once you found a stock or funds that suit your strategy, you can tap Invest Now to proceed. Choosing wisely sets the foundation for your financial growth, so you want to make sure you take the time to understand that before going ahead. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss another guide on Bright. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.